Fingertips, open palms, open thumbs, and bring them up and over and behind to just the back of the head. Thumbs come to the neck here. And then inhale, lift the chest, lift the elbows, look up. Open the elbows as wide as you can. See if you can open them even wider, even wider, even wider. Be mindful. And then exhale, slow as you can go. Chin to chest, rounding the spine, and then you're not pressing with your hands at all, just kind of letting gravity do the work. And the elbows will come in towards your forehead or your third eye. And you are in control. And I can see a little toothpaste on my shirt. Real class act, real classy. Okay, we're here for a good amount of breaths, inviting a release, a surrender. And also taking a moment to just kind of explore or maybe refine. If that speaks to you, pulling the shoulders a little bit back softly. Relaxing the jaw, the forehead. Close your eyes, breathe. Awesome work. From your core, think Uddiyana Bandha, navel lock. Draw the navel in and up, and let that be your cue to slowly roll up. We're gonna come all the way up, crown of the head, lifts up towards the sky. Elbows go super wide one more time. Inhale in, and then exhale, big stretch. Have fun with this. Maybe you yawn, turn your head one way, and maybe the other. Make it your own here, a little stretch. Awesome. You're gonna cross one arm over, doesn't matter which one. Take it into this little stretch here. Plug the shoulders down and lift your chest. Imagine your marionette string. And then switch. Wonderful. Hands come